Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Naziat, ayah number 6 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يوم. This combination is lean. There are two lean letters in Quran. One is waw lean and the other is ya lean. And waw followed by fatha and ya followed by fatha are lean letters. And what you have to do, you have to make it 2 counts long and you have to say them very softly. Give a very nice time on fatha and join it with waw very softly. Yaw, yaw, yaw. Ya is already very soft letter. The makhraj of ya is you are lifting middle part of your tongue towards your palate, but it's not touching your palate. So this makes ya very soft, and attach with ya wow with very soft touch. Yaw ma for fatha is short. Ta ta is light. Make raw light heavy. So don't make ta heavy because of raw. So ta is light. Taru, ta, ta. As you say it separately, you are saying it when you are joining it with raw too. So ta, taru, and raw will get sifa of the wasat, and raw is heavy because raw is followed by fatha. Whenever ra is sakin and you found fatha or dhamma before it, you have to make a raw heavy. The heavy raw sounds like this sound. You for dhamma, circle your lips. For dhamma, circle your lips, and as soon as you will touch raw, your lips should be in a straight position. For raw. And raw is heavy here. And for fatha, open your jaws, make it 2 counts long because this is a long combination. There are 3 naturally long combinations in Quran, and these are alif sakina qablaha maftuh, waw sakina qablaha madmum, and ya sakina qablaha maksur. It is alif followed by fatha, waw followed by dhamma, and ya followed by kasra. These are the long combinations, and this is one of them. Like alif sakina qablaha maftuh, alif followed by fatha is a long combination. So we will write 2 at the top. So whenever you write it, you will not forget. So inshallah, write it for your convenience. Ro, G. G is short for kasra. Give E sound. G. Fa. Fa will get hums. Whenever you find fa in any state, you will give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there whenever you pronounce fa. And when you find circle ta, and you have to give waqf at the end, so you will change the circle ta into ha. So the sound will be like f. You will give hums. There should be a flow of breath, and then you will change it into ha, and ha will you will apply sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. So the sound should flow for ha. Fa. يوم ترجف الراجفة. That ta, first ta is a very ashadda letter. This is a very sharp sound. It cuts away the sound right away, but the ta with sakoon will get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Tat, tat, ba is short, ru, ain from your throat, and dhamma, you have to circle your lips. That's ba'u, haru. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it with ra, and ra is heavy, and it is 2 counts long here because it has a longer vowel combination. Alif sakina, qablaha maftuh. Alif followed by fatha is a long combination where you will write 2, not to forget to make it 2 counts long. That's ba'uharwadi. For kasra, give E sound. Don't drop it ever. Fa. Again, fa will get hums. And this circle ta will be changed into ha whenever it gets waqf. So, and when it will be changed into ha, the ha, the letter ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is a flow of sound. So the sound shouldn't stop. There should be a nice flow into it. That's ba'uha radifa. Cough is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. So we'll write capital H. It is heavy. Lu, 2 counts long because vav sakina is followed by dhamma. It is a long combination. Make sure you circle your lips for every dhamma. Buin, this is idgham with gunna. You're merging the sound of tanween into ya, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. So this is why it is called idgham with gunna. This is lean. Waw sakina followed by fatha will give you 2 counts long. Oh, yes, this is 2 counts long too. Yaw, it's soft. Give a nice time on fatha. Open your jaws and then attach with waw very softly. Yaw, ma is short. E for Hamza is a very sharp, pinchy sound. E. And for kasra, give E sound. Don't ever drop that kasra sound. E. Dion. This is idgham with gunna. You are keeping the sound in your nose and you're merging the sound of tanween into waw. And waw, what are the conditions to apply this idgham? Whenever hurufe yarmalun, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, these are hurufe yarmalun. Whenever these are followed by tanween or noon sakin, tanween or tanween pas, tanween tam, or tanween kas, any tanween or noon sakin. So then you will apply idgham. And idgham is merging one sound into another. And here you are merging sound of tanween into waw. And you're keeping sound in your nose because this idgham is with gunna. Look. And wa, 2 counts long. The alif followed by fatha. Waji, for kasra, give E sound. Fa will get hums. The circle ta will be changed into ha whenever you will give waqf on it. And when you are changing it into ha, this ha will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound. The sound shouldn't stop. Wajifa. قلوب يومئذ واجفة. Hamza is a sharp sound. This sound should be there for Hamza. It is from your throat. For Fatha, open your jaws, attach it with Ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala because qutubu jaddin. Qutubu Kutubu jaddin are the letters whenever these are with, these are 5 letters, right? Kutubu jaddin. Whenever these are with a sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. And look, this ba is among these letters. So ab, ba is light. Don't make ba heavy because of sod, because we tend to make any letter heavy because even though it's light, but if it is followed or it is with heavy letters, we make light letters heavy too. But be very careful. It is ab, saw, ab, saw. It's heavy, and it is 2 counts long, because this standing fatha is actually a complete alif. So if you wanted to write it in another way, you can write it like this too. It is saw. Yes, this is this word, saw. So you are making it 2 counts long, and you are making it heavy. Uru, for the circle your lips. And ra is heavy here because whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy, and heavy ra sounds like uru. Absaru, ha is 2 counts long. Kha is heavy, and it is 2 counts long because this standing fatha is a complete alif. So alif sakina qablaha maftu, alif followed by fatha is a long combination. So you are making it 2 counts long. Kha, she is short, kasra is short, ain from your throat, and this circle ta will be changed into ha whenever you will give waqf on it. And when you will change it into ha, the letter ha, this letter ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Khashi'ah. I wrote this one like, okay, this is like this ha. Look, ha, because you remove these 2 dots to make it ha. This is ha. And ha will get sifa of rahawa. Khashi'ah. Yeah. Yeah, it's a soft letter. Fatha, open your jaws. Makhraj of ya is when you are lifting middle of your tongue towards your palate. This is where ya is being pronounced. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Here, off is heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips for the ma very well. Yeah, lu, 2 counts long too. Na, short. Yeah, na, a, very sharp, pinchy sound is should be there for hamza, and it should be pronounced from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is short. A, in hamza is a sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon, and noon will get sifa of gunna. A, in, na, 2 counts long. La is short. Maru, meme is light. A ra is heavy because ra is second ra, if it is followed by fatha or dhamma, ra is heavy, and it will get sifa of the wasut because lin amr are the letters. Okay, I'll write it for you. Lin amr are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Maru. This ru sound is tawassut, and ra is heavy because this is followed with fatha. Maru, do. For dhamma, circle your lips, and you're making it 2 counts long because this is a long combination. Waw sakina, waw with sukoon is followed by dhamma. Do. Again, this is 2 counts long. Na, short. Feel, don't drop kasra. If you attach with lam, make sure you say e, because when you say fa kasra, fi, individually it is fi. So when you are attaching it with the coming up letter, it should stay feel, feel, fee, fee, feel, and you'll give tawassut on lam. Feel, because lin umar, the letters, whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound, and lam is one of them. Feel, ha from your throat, and it is 2 counts long, because alif is followed by fatha. Ha, fi is short. For kasra, give e sound, and fa will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fi, ro. This sound should be there for fa. Fi, Raw. Raw is heavy here because whenever raw is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. At the whenever you find circle tha, where you are making waqf, it will be changed into ha. This ha, and ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. The sound should flow very well. Hafira. I'll recite it for you. يوم ترجف الراجفة تتبعها الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة أبصارها خاشعة يقولون أئنا لمردودون في الحافرة. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.